Alright, if we look at the function that we were given, we've got 0, 4, -2, -3, 1, 5, and 2, 1. If we want to find the domain, we just list all of our x's. And I'm going to put them in order. 1, whoops, we missed 0, 1, 2. So that would be my domain. The range would be the y's. So we have -3, -1, 4, and 5. If we want to find the inverse, all you do is you flip your x's and y's. So my point, instead of being 0, 4, is going to be 4, 0. Instead of -2, -3, we have -3, -2. We have 5, 1. And we have -1, 2. Just be careful. It is so easy to flip the first couple, and then you forget, and you write down 1, 5, and 2, -1. So all of the x's and y's flip. Our new domain, we're going to go through and we're going to write down all of our x values this time. So we have -3, -1, 4, and 5. And then we have -2, 0, 1, and +2 for our range. And if you look, what used to be our domain, the domain of the original, is now the range of the inverse. And if you think about it, if you flip x and y, the domain was dealing with x's, well, is now dealing with y's because my x and y values flipped. So then if we look at the range of the original, that was dealing with my y values, but when we flipped x and y, that is now the domain of the inverse because that is now dealing with the x values.